Have you ever wondered what gigahertz your Wi-Fi network is running on? Have you checked it in your settings and found nothing? Then you have found the right video. All you need to do is open the App Store and download the Airport Utility app. Download the second app on the list. It's an official Apple app, so there's nothing to worry about. After downloading, open Settings, scroll all the way down to the apps, and select Airport Utility. At the very bottom, enable the Wi-Fi scanner option. This will allow the app to detect the gigahertz frequency of your Wi-Fi network. Once it's enabled, open the Airport Utility app. Click on Wi-Fi scan in the top right. Now hit scan. When the result appears, click stop. Now find your Wi-Fi network by checking the Wi-Fi icon in the status bar. My Wi-Fi is UPC 385 and so on. It's not important. As you can see, I have two networks, which makes sense because I have both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz network. The difference is in the channel. One is channel 11 and the other is channel 100. To see more details, click the smile eye icon in the bottom right corner. As I mentioned, one network is channel 11 and the other channel 100. And as you can see, that's exactly what it is. One of my network is in the 2.4 GHz channel and the other is in the 5 GHz channel. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Make sure to leave me a like and subscribe. Tschüss.